Quaker boy squirrel, Scolder. There isn't too many things that are much more fun to hunt than squirrels, and normally in most states you get a lot of states to hunt them in. Now if you want to stack the odds in your favor and give you a little bit more variety, you just get you a squirrel call. Now this is a beeper call. A lot of times they'll come to this call, but a lot of times what they'll do is call back to it, which is going to give it's kind of a like a locator call in your turkey hunting. They start barking back to you, start calling back to you, you know where to go, you know what tree they're in, and you can get after them. But a lot of times they will come right to this call. That's how simple it is to use. There's nothing to it. And it'll also try to put a few more squirrels, or help you put a few more squirrels into your game bag.
Hey folks, Kelly Haydel with Haydel's Game Calls. This is our DS85 Deluxe Squirrel Call. And what makes this call special is, it's not only a barking squirrel call, but it also does the sound of the distress. For me to demonstrate the sound of the bark, I'm going to hold the call between my thumb and index finger, and I'm going to make a fist, but I'm not going to tighten it all the way. I'm going to start tapping on the call, and as I do, I'm going to then tighten up with my hand. So there's your sound of a barking squirrel that's aggravated, that's sees something that's going on and wanting to give up its location. This is a good way. It's just the same as dogs in the neighborhood. One dog starts barking, they all start barking. That's what you're trying to do there. You're trying to get these other squirrels to start barking. The distress sound that you can get out of this is the sound of a baby squirrel that's being hurt by either an owl or a hawk or some other type of predator. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow into this call 5 times. Now you can also take a little small branch and slap that branch on the ground as you're doing this to simulate the sound of the wings of a hawk or an owl. This is a very effective sound in getting the squirrels to give up their location, especially if things have been quiet in the woods and you haven't seen a whole lot of movement. They hear this, and it's an instinct to try to protect the others and try to get rid of whatever danger is around. So check this call out. This is the DS85 Deluxe Squirrel Call. You can find it on our website at haydels.com, and check out our Facebook page as well. Hi, Kelly Haydel with Haydel's Game Calls. This is the SW92 Squirrel Whistle. To produce the sound of this call, you want to place the call up to your lips and inhale, just like that, 5 times. When you're out in the woods, what you want to do is you want to cut a little bush, a leafy bush, and slap that on the ground several times. This simulates the wings of a hawk or an owl that's struggling with that squirrel. I'll demonstrate the call again. Because of its size, you want to make sure that you have this lanyard around your neck so that you don't choke and swallow this call. Again, that is the SW92 Mr. Squirrel Whistle. Hey everybody, Kelly Haydel with Haydel's Game Calls. Today I want to talk about the SP05 Squirrel Pack. This pack contains our DS85 and our SW92. Both of these calls are great, effective calls when it comes to calling in squirrels. The DS85 is a bellows style barking squirrel call. I'm going to open my hand and then close it a little bit tighter to make a semi-fist. Tap on the bellows, that's going to produce your bark. I'm going to turn it around to the other end and blow into the call to produce the distress sound. Many of you may have seen the Mr. Squirrel Whistle. This also is that same distress sound. I'm going to inhale into the call. You want to make sure you always have the lanyard on this so that you don't suck the call into your throat. These two calls are really effective when it comes to calling in squirrels. Check us out on our website, haydels.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Hi, this is Mark and Carrie Kellogg from MK Unique Designs, and today I'm going to learn how to use the MK Unique Designs Squirrel Call. We have the shaker and we have the barker. This is my husband Mark, and he is going to teach me how to use these things. So, Mark, can you tell me why I would need to use a squirrel call? What are they used for?
They're used to find the squirrels will give away their location and usually bark, chatter, and
Okay, so you just shake it?
well, what you first do is put the call in your hand, like in your hand like this.
In my hand like this?
Yep. And make a cup. If you hit a squirrel call like that, doesn't really sound a lot like a squirrel
Okay.
call. But if you cup your hand and make a little chamber,
I must have it back.
you do.
Okay, there
You
we
do.
go.
You got it backwards. And now you don't need to hit it very hard. You
Okay.
just and you can close and open your whatever you need.
Okay, so that changes the tone
It changes the
when I
tone.
open and close my hand.
Yep. And that's just that simple, you know. And then you can shake them. These are called the shakers for a reason. You just
Okay, let me try that.
you're doing it kind of double. I always grab them right here, do right there, and just a little light shake.
Okay,
You hear us, and you can make a chamber on that too if you need to.
okay. So just a light shake
Just a light shake.
or a light tap.
Yeah, sometimes a squirrel will get in a tree and they'll